Starting with, I lost my mother and she passed away. As soon as she passed away, I had a house around the corner in Adrian Court in Orange, New Jersey. I lost my home because of the fact that I didn't contact legal aid at first, but I had to only pay $40,000 for my home. And I was unaware of that, and then all I had is my grandmother, Carol Kersey. Then my father passed away. And then that sort of rocked my life away, and then all of a sudden my grandmother ended up going downhill and she turned sick. She had blood clot in her left leg. And with that being done, then the damage was done. I was lost. Now, luckily, as soon as my grandmother came home from being ill, my grandmother was behind in her taxes. Me and my grandmother had no place to go. So, luckily, my grandmother contacted legal aid, and out of the blue, we met this beautiful godsend young lady. Her name is Sandra, and please contact her immediately. She made a difference, and she solved and helped over 4,000 people up here in New Jersey. She really needs not only the support, and as for all of you senior citizens, you guys can make a difference by contacting Sandra.
I'd just like to add to that. It's not easy to get up one morning and realize you're not going to be living in your house. After 50 years of paying taxes, 30 years of living in your home. Where can you go? Where do you get the money to relocate? Because someone put a lien against my property. I didn't even realize this until I went to call City Hall when I got the money together to pay my taxes. I wanted the full amount. And when they told me that I had a lien against my property and it was going to go into foreclosure if I didn't pay the taxes in less than a year, I was devastated. So someone from legal aid, I got in touch with someone from legal aid, and they told me to get in touch with a young lady by the name of Sandra. She came and she fulfilled all my hopes, and she was like an angel. She straightened out everything without me even trying to think straight. I didn't have to do anything. She did everything for me. She got a reverse mortgage with the equity that I had in the house. I didn't realize this could be done because I didn't have a mortgage, but she took it out of the equity that was in the property. And this put a big relief on me, because then I didn't have to worry about paying my taxes again or my homeowner's insurance. That was all included. I don't know how she did or the way she got it done in less than a month. Now I can at least sleep at night, and I can at least think. And I don't know what I would have done without her help. And my advice, if you're a senior citizen in my condition, get in touch with Sandra. She'll explain everything to you. If you think everything is hopeless, she'll help you. And all you have to do is call and leave everything in her hands. And you don't even have to think. She'll do all the thinking for you.
And don't hesitate. As you can see, my grandmother is a victim, and I know tons and dozens of senior citizens out here in New Jersey are just like my grandmother, losing your homes due to tax evasion.
And liens. Yeah.
So please.
And don't think you're too old. You want to stay in your own home. You paid for your house. Your house is paid for. It should be your home until the day you die.
So please, don't be a victim like me and my grandmother have almost had been.
Good.